iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 are ready to be downloaded and installed on iPhone and iPad on Monday, 29th. Apple announced it at its iPhone 13 event last week. In the following, we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to update iOS via OTA. Watch this video until it runs out. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what we have presented. The first step, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap on General, then tap Software Update. There you will see iOS 15 is ready to be downloaded, then tap Download and Install. iPhone will ask for your iPhone passcode, then enter your passcode. After the passcode is successfully entered, you will see the terms and conditions. You can read them one by one, then when you are ready tap Agree, so iOS 15 has started to be downloaded. This download takes 15 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed and the capacity of this iOS 15 file. If you upgrade from iOS 14.8 it is around 3.12 gigabytes. During the download process you can see conditions such as which iPhones can be upgraded to iOS 15, as well as other conditions that are all presented in Apple support information. As we know, iOS 15 can be downloaded from the iPhone 6s. After the download process is successful, tap Install Now. Your iPhone will start verifying updates and your iPhone will restart. Wait a while your cell phone is in the process of installing iOS 15 on your iPhone. And now your iPhone has successfully installed iOS 15. Swipe up on your iPhone screen, enter your iPhone passcode, then follow the instructions, and welcome to iOS 15. That's a brief tutorial on how to upgrade iOS 15 on iPhone via OTA. Quite easy, isn't it? Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe. Next video we will make a review of how to be on iOS 15. Thank you for watching.